Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send an automated welcome email in Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to greet new subscribers instantly, making them feel valued and connected to your brand from the very first moment they sign up. First, open your browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account using your username and password. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to set up this automation, as this is where all your subscriber activity will be managed. After logging in, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Automations. This section is the hub for all your automated workflows, allowing you to set up sequences that run on their own once triggered. It's a powerful tool for streamlining communication with your audience without having to manually send each email. Next, you'll want to create a new automation from scratch. In the top right corner of the screen, click the Build from Scratch button. This gives you full control over how your automation works, rather than using a pre-made template. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your automation. For this tutorial, let's call it Welcome Email Automation or something similar that clearly identifies its purpose. Once you've entered the name, click on Choose Trigger. Now comes the important part, selecting what action will start your automation. You'll see a list of trigger options, including email signups, SMS signups, or clicking links. Since we're focusing on welcoming new email subscribers, choose Sign Up for Email as your workflow trigger. This ensures that every time someone subscribes to your email list, the automation kicks in immediately. After selecting your trigger, you'll be directed to the workflow creation page. The first step here requires you to save the trigger. This tells Mailchimp that you want the automation to activate when a subscriber signs up. Go ahead and click the Save Trigger button to lock this in. Now it's time to add the actual welcome message. On the left side menu, you'll see the Workflow Actions map, which gives you options for what happens next in your sequence. From here, you can choose between Send Email or Send SMS, depending on how you want your welcome message delivered. For this tutorial, we'll use Send Email. Simply drag the Send Email option to the Add a Step field in your workflow editor. This action is what will deliver your welcome message to new subscribers. Once the email step is added, it's time to customize it. Click on the email block to edit the details. Here you can personalize the subject line to grab attention, set the sender information for both the to and from fields, and configure the email schedule to control when the message is sent. You'll also want to design the email content itself. Mailchimp offers two options for this, the Legacy Builder or the New Builder. Choose whichever editor you're comfortable with, and craft your welcome message to fit your brand's style and voice. Once you're happy with the email, click Save and return to Journey Customization. Finally, click Continue in the top right corner of your screen. You'll now see a detailed preview of how your entire workflow functions, from the sign-up trigger to the email being sent. Review everything carefully to ensure it looks right. Once you're ready, click Turn Flow On. Your automated welcome email is now live and will greet every new subscriber automatically. And there you have it, you've successfully set up an automated welcome email in Mailchimp, saving you time and ensuring every new subscriber gets a warm, personalized greeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.